Oh, a layer. See, there is a lot of layer. And we have the soft sand and some minerals. See how we form? And most of the rocks in the gorge, they form like this. And when the water passes, they are very easily to create some kind of places where you can be able to walk. And most of them, they are really slippery, you see? Because they are a little bit wet, and we have the green stuff, the algae. Algae is very slippery. National Park at Marcella. Boundary is not much. Not much. No. And no wall. So that side, National Park. This side, Marcella. So welcome to our land. Oh, very good. So this park is at 8.25 kilometers square. This park, before they get gazetted, when they start to be gazetted, it was in 1984. 1984? They have a geothermal company, center, and this company, they do drill underground for 3 kilometers before. So they start to steam through the pipe, then the steam run a turbine to produce electricity.
Yeah.
Oh,
Enough.
yeah, every name has a name.
Máy sò má.
The beginning. Before they get close. The beginning starting from there. Before they get close, we were supposed to walk down there. But for now, you can see. You can see the layer? And you see there is a like bluish. That means that was the last eruption of volcanic. That's the a volcanic ash. So the last eruption of volcanic was back in 1856 from the Mount Longon. And those layers means sometimes water was that low. Water. And this place, it was a sea. Like Lake Baringo, Bugore, Nakuru, Elementaita, Naivasha, they were one lake. But because of that eruption of volcanic, they get separate. That's why we have the Naivasha. Mini creation. Of water. Lake Naivasha as well, it's a fresh water, but others, they are salty. Because it means the Lake Naivasha has inlet and has an outlet, which is passing underground. It's a black-headed oriole. Right. So, guys. Okay, just come closer. For me, yeah, it's close enough. For me.
You're afraid of...
I have been down there, so I know. I fear this place. You're very afraid of height, yeah? Right, yeah, so, but it also goes down. This is the devil's bedroom. That is a junction, right? Yes. So from here to the dead end of that side gorge, it is 750 meters, and also it's narrow and zigzag like this. Oh, be careful, be careful. Okay. So Angelina Jolie, she was here. So this is the place where the filmed with me. From Rider 2. Wow. So when the gorge gets open, we will walk down there. As you see, now like down there, some rocks there. It's going to so some rocks. And we have lost a lot of life plants here. Some of them we get swept by the water because when it's rain, it's not raining here, maybe it's just drizzling. And up on the other side it's really raining. When you are inside, you cannot see what's going on in the top. So suddenly the water came and found them. And you see how the walls are really steep. There is no way to escape the water, especially in a narrow place. So you just get swept, you'll get a free ticket for 2 ways. Hell or heaven. No, we are in nature and we have to learn something. Like this plant, who knows this plant? Like this tree. Is it acacia? Yeah, it's acacia. But we call it a whistling acacia. Oh yeah. This is a food of giraffe. So the giraffe they like to eat the leaves. And we have the fruits. And before the fruits get dry like this one, they do go and they are really soft. And we have some hands. They make a small hole, as you see. They live inside as a house.
Hands.
One day, yeah, hands. Come closer and see the hands. And here. Hands. They are here. Look. Look.
Yeah, this one. They live inside of the house.
So the hands, they are protecting the tree against the giraffe.
Mm-hmm.
So now like this one. This is still afraid. You see many.
Yeah, many around. Mm-hmm.
When you touch it like
The
this,
dependence.
they know that is not a wind. It's something different. Then when there is when the giraffe come and eat, they go through the nose of the giraffe and make a very bad smell. So the giraffe, yes. So the giraffe leave the tree. Yeah. And then the small hole, when there is wind, they go through that small hole and start whistling. That's why it's called a
Whistling acacia.
And the thorns you see, for us Maasai, we use a toothpick. When we eat in the bush, we use this one. We don't buy the tooth. We have this is the loose soil. That's good. We stand there, it's good.
Don't go beyond that.
Yeah, please.
Especially if your shoes are.
You see how they do it? You have
Don't try that at home.
Express ticket to hell, right?
Yeah.
¿Qué quieres morir?
Wow.
Yeah, good.
Go there. Don't forget. Don't get into the mood of Photoshop until you forget. I want to take the clip.
Ja. Nee, jag måste alltid att lära mig
So when the boat is going to be open, we will exit from this point. Because we have made the stairs at the beginning, and then we will exit. But for now, we are going to put some very strong cables for the emergency exit. In case when you have any signal, dangerous signal, you can exit anywhere. And we are going to get for every guide the workshop, the radio calls. So when I'm up here, I can see what's going on the hills, and I can call my colleague which is down there. Because when you are using your phone, there is no any signal.
Yeah.
So even if I try to call you,
So they're using Google for that purpose.
no,
To send signal on the speed and the distance where the water is.
we have the workshop Then those summer is going to be put up here where they're going to start. And then when they press like this, everyone can get danger. So when you hear that,
And also
sound,
alarm.
alarm.
Wow. What's that?
Hello.
This is the stands when they were filming the movie of Lion King. So they made something like a point person. The cameraman stand in the middle of the place. You have the focus. This is the place where the Mufasa is going. And guys, I born on this place. I grown up just up here. This is where. So if you are not that's watch this and follow me and see how big the place is.
Wow.
So, and I
Hello.
Hi. Too deep.
Say it again. Say too deep.
Too deep.
Thank you.
Get closer. No, I'm afraid. No.
Oh, there are some people.
I'm suffering.
now.
I'm suffering. I'm suffering.
Nah, nyo.
One beach pass. Hello. Whoa. Yeah. Eh. Eh.
Asante. Asante soto.
Je lo ba ya mo ga gra nya lo gwana nya lo do lor mer wes be e shuguni na na gidwa bo ga be midnight na. Ma da no la gwana no gra. Eh.
Like a dog.
Yes, on the gorge. Yeah.
Oh, yes, 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 I can see. Straight down, almost on the level of the pyramid. Something like this, like a cave.
A Masai Paramount Cave. So that's the place where they filmed the movie of Shane, Queen of Buganda.
You say that is where?
Shane, Queen of Buganda.
Looks like a dog. A black dog.
Now you can see the villages of our home. So from here all the place to Masai Mara.
And then, if the park opened in 1980, did they take your land?
So the place where the park now is national.
Yeah.
So it was a Masai.
Yeah.
The government grab from the Masai community. That's why they grab that
Yeah.
property. I born in 1980.
Yeah.
So when they came to grab the land, they put the fire in the village. Even they shoot the dogs. I was scared.
Is that during that is before
Thank you.
down there?
go down from here.
Should I keep going?
Yeah.
Okay.
And be careful, eh?
Don't go.
Don't worry. We are here for you.
Just carry your body.
En nee, hè?
We did it.
Ik ben niet
We
zo goed
did
met mijn
it.
rechtervoet. Ik moet altijd eerst
We
links.
did it. Hey.
Venye iko.
Sawa. Tumeambiwa ni hatari.
Ni kwa picha.
Ni hapa ndio una. I told you. At least I prepared. That you will sit, you will crawl, you will jump.
Hey.
Journey is still on.
Hello.
Wow. Bye, we gone. You. Yeah.
Just calm down. It's not mud. So this water, you see, it is so clean, but not for drink because there's some minerals on it. There's sulfur and salt. Like you see the white stuff on the road, that's a soda hand. It's like salt. And most of the places you can see they are yellowish. That's because of the sulfur. That's why you see we have the green. This is an algae. So this is the food of the flamingos because they like to eat this. And even I saw some Chinese, they eat this.
Ja.
Self.
For me, no.
Alga. Or alga.
For me, I can't.
Maybe you have not tried.
If I was and just always is not this. Whenever it's rain, whenever there's no rain, it is dry. You can never check
That water is just flowing.
because
It's a
mostly
spring.
when you go inside the canyon, you'll see only on the part of the boat, your right or your left when you are walking up or you are going down, it's on your right. So all natural water is just flowing from this side. No water coming from this side. Because means the outlet of Lake Naivasha, it is passing on this side. But this water, the reason why it's hot, it is because in the underground we still have those rocks which is called magma. And when the water reaches those rocks, we get mountain. And that's why we have to. They depend.
Yeah.
The regulars of the rain. Because if the rain is too heavy, you get more higher. The water will get more higher. You good? Come here.
If you can pass there, just climb.
Oh, come up.
Yeah.
Yeah, your hand. Your hand.
Okay.
Yes.
You got me.
Left. Eh?
Fashion show. I didn't know it was getting